Welcome to Positive Trader. The real reason why JP market is closed, which is JP market, I want to explain, okay? And I'm not doing this to hate anyone's feelings. I just hate doing this so that I can bring the right information, which is you are learning in this channel. Subscribe, like, comment, share the videos with others. So why JP market was closed, okay? Because it was the best broker that we were using to trade in the forex exchange market. But here, understand this. Understand this. We have orders. Okay, we have orders. Okay, orders that we have buy, and then we have sell. Okay, and then we have sell, and then we have buy. Okay, so this is how it is. So what happened with the broker, which is let me say broker, to remove the word, JP. Okay, so what happened with the broker is that every broker is good for them to have a best website, okay, for helping with clients, actually not clients, customers, because you are a customer. There's a difference between client and customer, okay? All right, you get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. But I'm not trying to, bring you down here or make you feel bad or sad. So they have to have the best website, best website, which is good, that have provide email. They have to provide emails if your account is in stop out margin. They have to provide you with updates. And actually, let me just put it down. Okay, let me put it down for you to understand way better. Okay, they have to have the best website. Okay, website. Okay, and then service. They have to have a best service, which is the support team. This is support team. Okay, at least available 24/7 for helping with any issue. Okay, and then provide good payment options. Payment options or payment method. Okay, all right, and then this is how a broker should be. Okay, these are the requirements that the broker needs. All right, so right now we have what we call JP market, a broker, which is not JP market. How it was closed, why is it closed actually, and the real reason behind it. As I mentioned, that we have buy, okay, and then we have sell. All right, okay, and then we have sell, and then we have buy. Okay, these are the orders that we have. All right, okay, so you are a person A. I'm not going to mention any name. You are a person A. You place 0.01 on the next 100. Okay, you place 0.01 on the next 100 buy. Okay, and then broker, which is B, okay, will place 0.01 NAS 100 sell. Okay, now we are fighting. Okay, and remember, we have a scale of this scale. 70% they lose, 70 to 90% they lose, which is 70 to 90% to lose, and then 30 to 10% they profit. This is profit, this is profit, this is lose. Okay, all right. So right now they place like this, and when they place like this, you are trading with the broker, which is JP market, which is the broker that you were trading with. Right now, you are trading with this, and then you are A, right? A, you are profiting 0.01, and then your profit is 2,000. You are profiting 2,000. Okay, and then B, automatically, I think we believe now we get it. B, they have 0.01, and then they are losing 2,000. Okay, they're losing 2,000. Remember, in between here on the 2,000, maybe let's say you're not supposed to actually profit 2,000. You're supposed to profit at least 2,500, but because of the spread is wide, you pay to this broker, which is B. Okay, all right, 2,000. Okay, they are losing. And then right now they don't allow you to close a trade. You are not allowed to close a trade. Even if you try to close, it's not closing, because they are losing. They are losing, and they cannot afford that, or maybe they cannot afford to pay you. And then another thing to keep in mind is that when you're trading, let's say you deposit money. When you deposit money, the money goes straight to their bank account. Okay, it goes straight to their bank account, and then what they do, they provide you with a account where you can trade, an account which is live. But this account, the money is not real money. Okay, it's just a virtual money, meaning that it's a money that is just numbers there. Okay, but it's because of the contracts, we sign contracts, because of the trust that we have, we're not gonna take that in that way. So it's a live account. It's a live account. That's how it is. Okay, let's go back to this. Right now you're profiting here. When you're profiting, they will have to pay you, and they know if they have to pay you, they are losing. So what they do, they will refuse you to close until it goes to a loss, and then they profit, and then you'll be able to close, and then they will come with some excuses that they have and all that. Okay, we understand this part. All right, let's move to this is how they do the business model. Okay, this is how they do the business model. Okay, we are trading with their platform. Unless if it had liquidity provider. Okay, unless if it had liquidity provider. To learn more about liquidity provider, you can get the description below. Liquidity provider, it's where if they lose, the broker loses, you profit. The broker doesn't lose anything, meaning that they risk zero. They only profit the 500. Okay, they only risk zero, so they only profit 500. Okay, but in this case, they wanted to take full 100% risk, because they knew that the scale is like this. So it turned out to be backfiring for them. It didn't work out the way that they wanted it to work out. Even if they did, sometimes you cannot run forever. You cannot be high forever. One way or the other, you'll be caught. Okay, so that's how it is. And then the liquidity provider, if right now things are like this, it means that if you buy here, they will have to actually place a buy for you. For the buy, they will have to place a buy, and then the liquidity provider has to place a sell. Okay, so when you profit with your buy, the broker profits with the buy too. They give you your money. Okay, which is the 2,000, and then they are left with the 500, and then the liquidity providers will lose. Okay, because they are providing the liquidity. Okay, all right. So this is how it turns out for the broker to end up being closed, because of how they conducted business with the clients that they were conducting business, meaning that I can open a broker right now, and then you can trade within my broker. I know there are a lot of brokers in Mzansi or South Africa that they are doing the very same thing. So stay on the lookout. Ask for their liquidity providers. Don't say you are sent by me. You want to know this information on your own, because I don't want to fight with any broker. I don't want to fight with anyone. I'm not here to actually fight with anyone. I'm here to just share the right information about Forex. If you like, comment, share the videos with others, subscribe, and then if you're looking for a mentorship, let me know in the comment section below for you to actually learn and understand. Okay, be blessed, everybody. I wish you the best with your trading journey, that you make it, you get to the top, and then you actually make a lot of profit. And this business model is the same as the other brokers that are working with us, and you need to make sure that you know how to choose a broker. Okay, that's it. Be blessed.